Okay, guys, we are live now. Yeah. So, welcome and let's go for it. So, I'm going to start with S&P 500. Yeah, as always. Yeah. What happens in Wall Street, so happens in all of them. So, S&P, there you are. I was long, as I posted, I closed it early in the morning. A few hours back with 5 points. Quite happy with that. Yeah. Buy handles on futures on S&P E-mini is, for those who don't trade indexes, is 1 point equals $50. So it's $250. Yeah, it's more than enough. More than enough. Okay. These are the daily levels. Yeah. So what you have to do first thing, as I always say, is draw a line in the middle and keep that. Those act as magnets. Yeah. Okay. So what is the view today for S&P? So we had a drop. Now we're retracing. We need to watch this area and around here. So if it pops here, you're looking for a sell, yeah. And today, for those in a little bit of the know, it's a S2L day, yeah. S2L. Not going to reveal much on that. S2L. So what you are basically looking is when the Wall Street opens within the first 90 minutes or so, does it give you a shallow drop or does it give you a deep drop? If it gives you a deep drop and then after that, does it tries to make a staircase pattern up? If it can't sustain and make that, then you get a staircase like a tennis ball dropping down the stairs. Yeah, pattern. Okay, so that is the possibility on S&P 500. Basically, it's pop and drop stuff. Okay. So what happens in S&P happens in the Dow. The Dow is making a U as well, so need to watch the MOB area as well. And obviously, the Templars will know 7 cubed. Yeah, 7 cubed is important. It's just below. It's just below. Okay. Yeah. And do me a favor. Try and put the comments if you are writing because my eyes are a bit fuzzy today, to be honest
I'm
with you.
there. I'll see the
Thanks.
comments.
Thank you, Nishan Bhai, because today, not 90 minutes sleep, and today they are a bit fuzzy. In the dull ache. There's a dull ache. There's
Yeah.
a dull ache. They're a bit fuzzy, no? So, okay. So this is the Dow. And like I said, middle lines, whatever. NASCRAP, similar situation. Again, what's the MOB area? And then we see, and we got a policeman here, yeah? So that area, possible shorter. Nishan Bhai is S2L as well today, huh?
Okay.
Uncle, why we are looking only for short? We want to buy in that case from the line
If you
which
want,
we are trying.
as long as you stay nimble and focused, you can skin the cat both ways. But my, from what I see, the bias is down. The bias is not up. Because it did go up. And like yesterday, if you listen to the live stream or YouTube, you will see I said that S&P was going up, but as Larry says, there is no food in the kitchen. It is going up on very low. Open interest is dropping, so that means it's short covering rallies. Okay,
Okay.
I'm not saying it's going to crash, but it's going to give you a healthy retracement and then up. Yeah, makes sense.
Yes.
Yeah, because I can only tell you what I see now, and obviously I can be wrong as well. Yeah, I can be wrong as well. I can be wrong as well. And main thing, obviously, at the moment is what is called as Globex. Do you know what Globex is?
No. No.
Well, Globex is basically on the futures American is the overnight market. Yeah, so all the Americans are sleeping. Yeah, and then the live session starts at UK time, say 2:30 p.m. So which is American ET or 9:30 a.m. Yeah, and most of the data usually comes out an hour early at 08:30 a.m. So from 08:30 a.m. Yeah, so that is when market will start to move. And then when the market opens, and then you know what kind of a mood they are in and the opening price and things of that nature, yeah? And then it gives you a better bias, yeah? Okay? Clear?
Clear.
Huh? Clear, yeah? Nifty as well is pop and drop, huh? Pop and drop. Dax, can you see the U? Can you see it's making a U pattern? MOB is very important. And here middle lines are important. Make sure I give you all the levels, huh? Give you all the levels. But main thing is what happens in Wall Street. Wall Street sneezes, the whole world catches a cold, yeah? So we need to see what mood and how the Americans want to spin it, yeah? Today, I don't think there is much heavy economic data for one. I call it noise anyway. But I think Nishant Bhai did say there is like some Fed talk or something or other, yeah? Okay.
Yes, bro. I think that and some manufacturing. Not much, not very important.
Not heavy, yeah. And obviously we got the oil, nat gas, yeah. Those who trade nat gas, so nothing much, yeah. And also we are coming into the end of the week, yeah.
Yeah.
So today, tomorrow they will try and keep us guessing, and then keep us guessing over the weekend, and then Monday we see what they do, yeah. So new week, new dollar, basically. Okay, let's see what is happening. And Nishant Bhai, what I said to them is maybe Saturday or Sunday, even if I get like 2-3 hours, I'll tell them, I'll plan it tomorrow and I'll tell them in advance.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
will do just maybe 1-2 hour session, maximum 3 hour session, just daily levels.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because many know how to use it, but many don't know how to use it. They keep on asking, so we will do that. So that way, when they see the numbers, then it means something to them. They understand it, yeah?
Right.
And I don't know, somebody was saying, give us a recording and all this out. You know me, I don't like recordings. You want to learn it? Come and make the time, come and learn it. If
Yeah,
you want to watch recordings, go and watch TV, you know.
No, all suggestions welcome, but no recording.
No recording. And especially we need to be careful as to who gets it as well.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
We need to be careful who gets it, yeah. Because we do guard it as well. Walaikum salam. Adam, welcome. Okay, same thing, Futsi. I find it boring anyway. CAC, gap up and down, okay, but no one trades CAC. So today, Nishant might kick me if I start looking at all the other stuff, yeah?
Yeah, you stop it at the Euro JPY.
I just realized when I said CAC, you know, what we were doing before. That's why I moved it. That's why nobody trades it. In fact, Nishant Bhai, if I don't listen to you, you can borrow this, yeah? You can borrow this and oh God. Okay. Oil is pop and drop as well, okay? It's pop and drop as well. But one thing, oil, keep in mind, it is a monster. It does not take live prisoners, okay? Use size very small. If you are not used to it, just do it as a paper trade, watch it or whatever, or even on your demo account, play with it with oil. But don't make a mistake of thinking you are a hero, because it will make you a zero in a blink of an eye, okay? I mean, you may be lucky on what you would say as your Forex accounts, yeah, because you can trade like 0.01 and 0.1 and whatever. But on the futures one, you know, like QL and CL, you know, you're talking about 50 to 80 points, $80 a point kind of thing. Nishant by near enough, yeah. So be careful on that. Brent, same thing. And also, Brent is expiring, yeah. Usually it's like around 24, 25, Brent should expire. But 1 week before, around 14th or 15th, is when the American one expires, yeah. Brent expires a week after, yeah. So those who try to trade Brent, I would say either wait for the expiry in case if your brokers, many brokers, I know for a fact, what's the broker, the one? IC Markets, yeah? On the expiry, they don't roll it over, they close your position of either in loss or profit, yeah? Then you have to start again manually. So if that happens, you might end up with a loss when you could have held it and got a profit, yeah? So be careful. If you're not sure, don't trade it. Let the expiry go away. Okay, Brent. Okay, this is of interest, I think, to everybody. Yeah, most people either will be trading gold spot on the dollar, or many in India. I think Nishan might trade on that MCX or something. Yeah,
Yeah.
MCX. So it's
Commodity exchange.
important. Yeah. And if anyone wants MCX after, do shout. I will make the levels and give it to you. No problem there. Okay, lines in the middle. New day, same game. This area, 1962, and just give it 10 more. 1972, yeah, was this band is heavy resistance, okay? Heavy resistance here. These big boys were scared of here. But really, it is going, reality is, on small frames, you think it is moving quite a lot. Okay, the range has expanded. But reality is, it is going sideways. And it is sideways down. I'm not a perma bear, but it is sideways down. Okay? And the numbers, again, like we said yesterday, I was playing fun as well. You need to watch 1945, 1929, 35. 1922 is quite important as well. Huh? And then you got the 1914, 18. And then main one is 1904, say 1900, yeah, roundy, yeah. So if it cracks that, it can open up a trapdoor down, okay? And obviously you must know the round numbers are important, yeah, 1900, yeah, is important as well, round is, yeah. So bias is for a sell, okay? Clear, everybody, straight? Okay, so I don't know why I do this every time for how many donkey's ears, always click the wrong one, Okay, so we want silver. Silver, same game. But to be honest with you, silver, okay, is big, more money for bank per buck, yeah. But it is slow. It is slow, but when it loses it or gains it, it will do a spiker and down, yeah. So if you trade silver, trade small and hold and steady, yeah. And obviously we said the square of 5 square 25, important roundy as well. Euro USD is sideways as well. I'm waiting for the Americans, yeah. So wait and see. USD CHF. Main thing is you get all the daily levels for everything. There we are. That's USD CHF. So if Euro USD pops up, USD CHF should fall down. So if you take a buy in Euro USD, at the same time you take a sell in USD CHF, as I taught you guys, yeah. Okay, GBP USD cable is going down as well. Toothless bulldog, need to wait. It's down, sideways, down, slowly tickling. We need to wait. There's nothing to. Don't force a trade. Don't chase a trade. We should learn one thing, that there is a time to trade and there's a time to stay out of the market as well. And it is better to miss a good trade than jump in one without thinking as a chaser. Yeah. FOMO will get you nowhere. Well, it will get you somewhere. It will empty your pocket. Yeah. You will make your broker a very happy man. So sitting and doing nothing requires patience, and you should maintain it. Yeah. That is the position. AUD USD, I had already posted the chart last night as well. And we've come down. How many points have we come? It's come down about 35, 40 points. Nishant bhai, from the chart I put in last night, no? I think maybe it was around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. Who is having a radio conversation? Radio. It was Rishabh, yeah? I muted him. If he wants, he can talk in the comment box, yeah? Because there's enough me making noise with everybody else making one. You have to give consideration for other people as well. Okay, AUD done. Kiwi, similar situation or not? We see. Yeah, similar. Yeah, need to wait. And see, we're making a triangle as well. Everything is STC, square, triangle, and circles. So Euro JP, okay, it's popping a bit. Came down a little bit, popping up. So we need to see where it fizzles out, then whatever. MOB, above MOB, generally bullish. Below MOB, bearish. Yeah, I don't like to say bullish and bearish. There's a positive bias, negative bias. That's it. You don't have to be a bull or a bear. Yeah. Global index is your favorite. What global index? Oops. Or maybe means Globex. Lucky Nishant Bhai called it Globex. The other name for it is called Bubex. All the ladies would kill me, you know. Seriously, Nishant Bhai, not me making it up. You can read up in technical analysis books as well. Bubex. My ex is boobs, you know. Sorry, Nishant Bhai. I'll get shot. Okay, GBP and the monster of Forex. Okay, this is a bit subdued as well, yeah. Wait and see. Pop and drops. But at MOB is better let it show its hand, yeah. Two areas need to be careful. MOB and LOC. MOB, ever bullish, below bearish. LOC, you start seeing all kinds of triangles and head and shoulders and everything under the sun, and then all of a sudden the picture changes the wrong foot you, yeah. USD JP as well, still going tracking high, but this USD JP, JP Yen, Euro JP, they are like stubborn pigs. Once they catch on to something, they go for it, and then all of a sudden it's like somebody pulls the rug out of it and you see a big red line or a big blue line. But that is the character of them, and you have to accept that, yeah. I read somewhere somebody was asking, I think in the channel, that I think they took a trade in gold at 1929 yesterday or whatever. It would have given them some profit if they were awake. But if you go greedy and you didn't react to it when it's going up, then you hold it. But you take the range movement in these days in account as well. And when you went in a trade by yourself, you must have a plan. You must have reasons for going in a trade. If the reasons don't exist when you go in a trade, then you shouldn't be in that trade. You should get out, yeah? Well, most of us, are adamant. We will hold the trade. We will not let go of it, yeah? So really, everyone asks the question that, how can I be a consistent trader, yeah? Well, I'll tell you one thing. The most consistent traders in the world are the losers, because they lose consistently. All they have to do is change their mentality and they can become better traders. Sorry, bad joke, yeah. Bad joke. Bad joke. You loony. Loonies yesterday said pop and drop. We got that. Now we're going up. So let's see. Let's replay the same game. Remember, Jeff, our Jeff Tennant, Medged, yeah?
Yeah.
He calls it like either wall or what was this? What? Stilts, yeah? Stilts, yeah? Diamond on stilts, yeah? Diamond on stilts pattern. So let's see, does he do a diamond on stilts kind of pattern? Yeah, and then you see, but Looney is going kind of sideways as well. But to be honest with you, you can play the downside as scalps or whatever, but really you should be fishing for a long. Fish for a long and not for a day trade, and you should hold it for a while, because when it moves, the loony is not called loony just because it is a lunatic. When it goes, it will keep on going like a rocket, yeah? So you should be fishing for a low and as a swing trade or whatever, and enough capitalization and patience, it will give you dividends. And that work Nishant Bhai did as well. Okay? Remember, while we were quite way down, Nishant Bhai, you said you did the chart and everything, and it was a swing long.
Yeah. It still is by weekly.
That's what I'm saying, Nacha. You can do as short as a scalper, but really you should be fishing for a low.
Correct.
Fishing for a low. Euro GBP is going like a monster today, yeah? So watch the C2 area. When it finishes, does the V shape, then you can take a sell. But anyone who starts buying here is what is called FOMO. Because here, as we show you in the webinars and everything, when it's here, all the guys reading the textbook is breakout and breakdown traders, yes? And all this area, they're saying it's boring, nothing to do, all this or whatever. And then all of a sudden, when he does that, they all start screaming, it's a breakout in, telegrams and TV and everywhere. And they will put a buy here. When they put a buy here, it will go a little bit and they get greedy and then it come down like that. And you can have with a scenario with a FOMO, you can have a wash and rinse, yeah? Wash and rinse is not the currency. Wash and rinse is you. They'll give you a proper clean out, yeah? Total. Proper laundry. They'll launder you. So wait until he finishes. If he does the V shape and they're taking the profit, then you can follow them until whatever and lock in profit, yeah? I think next thing, what we will do is when I do the daily levels, Nishant Bhai, if you are here as well or anyone, remind me this term. FIDO.
Yeah, FIDO, okay.
So I will drain the FIDO into them as well. Yeah, so we'll have daily level and FIDO.
Yeah.
Now, all of you guys, make sure you get these and you mark them on your daily, on your charts, yeah? And then see the magic that happens. So in any of these one, Nishant Bhai, anyone that we need to touch or just scream through?
Yeah, I think we'll just go to oil buy. Other things they can ask if they want.
Oil. We done oil, Nishant Bhai?
We finished oil, right? We finished it, yeah.
Yeah, done oil at the top. Let's have a quick look at the VIX, what it's doing, because sometimes it's very good. VIX can be quite... Okay, and 4. And D. Okay, keep an eye on VIX. Anyone who trades the VIX or these boom bust, whatever. Can you see roughly? So if it cracks here, it might poke a little bit lower and then come up again. So you need to watch this area for... See the momentum and the speed, like I teach you. And then you can take a little long, yeah? And you can roughly draw this pitchfork or whatever you want as well in there and see if you get there, yeah? And you can mark in your... But VIX, do get your stop in straight away as well, because it is a volatility index and it can be crazy mover as well, yeah? And small moves, big money, yeah? So don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. And if you're not sure of an instrument, learn it. Paper trade it, demo trade it, and learn everything as well. Walaikum salam. Sunil bhai, walaikum salam. Welcome. Yeah, and keep all these numbers in mind. Here you are. Dollar index. Okay. Okay. Up, down. Okay, coming up. The C1, C2 area we know is important, yeah? So you need to watch here. Let's see how the Americans wake up. If it pops up a bit, then you can retrace a bit, yeah? But here, nothing to do at the moment. Nothing to do at the moment. Sorry, unfortunately, I can only... I can do what you call the impossible straight away. Miracles take a little longer. If it's not moving, I can't make it move, yeah? But I can, you know... I can't turn water into wine yet, Nishant bhai. Okay, what is
Bitcoin.
ZAR? Yeah, let's see ZAR. Okay. Somebody trying to enter through StreamYard, but they have the YouTube as well. Maybe they should try it, yeah? Salam Prabha, I didn't see you there. Sorry, I clicked you and Wanakam, sorry. Yeah.
Oh, good morning, sir.
Welcome. Hey, $50.
Oh,
You see, I may
okay,
not
okay.
have, Prabha, I might not have slept, but if you said the magic word and it means money, I'm awake. You made my day. My first $50, no, 2 in the morning, in Discord, 2 in the morning, so 100,
Okay.
150 I got. Thank you very much.
Okay.
I can go for dinner today, yeah? It's fun. We should, we were saying last time, we make like a little app. Every time somebody says that, ting, we see who collects the most 50s, yeah?
Perfect. That's
Okay.
sir.
Okay, Dr. Copper, what is Dr. Copper telling us? You won't find this in textbooks, yeah? This is what the floor traders use, yeah? Copper is dropping, so floor traders look at that as, even if they don't trade it from the times of, when Wall Street started from Charles Dow time and before, they always look at copper, whether they trade, if copper is turning, they start to signify a turn in S&P 500 kind of, yeah, or the Dow. So this marks a turn before the S&P turns, no? So if this one drops, it is signaling for S&P to be finishing and turning, because it's like a fate kind of thing, because the floor traders use that as a marker, yeah? So it's good to keep an eye on that, yeah? So those people who are looking for indicators, there is one here for you. Platinum. Okay, it's very sideways, I know, sideways. Okay, so this one is sideways, gold is sideways as well on the bigger frames, just to watch. Soybeans going anything crazy? No, gap up and down, no, nothing much. Soybean is a very big market, no? The biggest source of protein as well, obviously everything. China buys the most of it, Nat gas, we got the inventories today at, usually it's 4 o'clock now. Bitcoin, I am short. It was giving like nearly 500 something odd yesterday and more. I haven't closed it. It's still running. It's posted as well. But look to sell the rally. And by 2 different ways or whatever, me, Larry as well, we both came to the same number. which is way, way down. Yeah. But forget the one number down. If you can get 200, 500,000 points out of it, you should be happy. Yeah. And then you can re-enter again. You can re-enter again. You instead of holding one for the home run. Yeah. I mean, crazy people like me do try and hold it for a home run, but I do take partial profits as well, and I do enter in again as well. As you know, we call it as the same like a ladder in that we call it, the Karate Kid Miyagi-san, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off trading. Yeah, like a ladder. So you don't need to do that, but that's Bitcoin. And what Bitcoin does, Litecoin and them will be mimicking it as well. Same. Yeah. One, two, two, 1, 2, 5. Okay. 25 5 times is 1, 2, 5. Okay. This is Ethereum. There we are. Same thing as well. Today, I think American market will be interesting. Today, guys, from around just before the Americans are opening 1 hour early. So, okay, I'll be here for 1:30 when it opens, the American cash index, RTH, real-time index, real-time hours. But today I have to go to the dentist. I have to be there for, what time is it? 2:45 p.m., yeah? So I'll have to go about 30-35 minutes early to get parking and be there on time and see the dentist. And I'm upset in that because, for these blasted dentures, they said I have to go for 3 more sessions before I can get it proper. Yeah, so let's see what's happening today. I need to go that one. And then from there, within the hour or whatever, I should be back. Yeah, so in case anyone shouts for me and you don't get a reply, I haven't gone to sleep. I'm not at home. I'm not at home. Oh, yeah, and the other one as well. Nishant Bhai, 11:30 to 12:30. Chandra is going to give me a music session, yeah?
Okay.
Such is life. Ishan Bhai, such is life. No, but I'm looking forward to it. Yeah.
So you have 3 sessions every day, right? Or 2?
Nishant Bhai, would you believe it? India time 5 till 7:30 or 8 in the morning. So 11:30 till 2 in the morning, I have the morning riyaz, yeah?
Okay.
Then I have Chandra every alternate day or so, 11:30 to 12:30, yeah? 4:30 p.m. IST, yeah?
Okay.
Then I have, this is like a full day, now when I do a full day, when it's all of them. Then I have Raju. Raju is from, sometimes it's at like 6 o'clock in the evening, UK time for 2 hours, yeah?
Okay.
And then from 1:30 to around 3:30, I have Siddhant for the evening riyaz, na? So yeah, I have, sometimes it's like 4 sessions in a day, Nishant Bhai.
Wow.
But really, it livens me up, to be honest with you.
Okay.
I don't feel like, oh shit, I have to do this today. No. I'm looking forward to it. And when I finish that, brain is totally like relaxed out and I'm enjoying it,
Yeah.
Yeah, it really calms your brain down, and also it's a good exercise for the brain.
Correct.
Because, our music is not written music. Now you have to understand it and then improvise with it. So I suppose you don't get dementia with that because, you need to massage your brain cells a little bit, yeah?
Right.
No, it's good. It's good exercise for the brain. And also, in a way, it stops me staring at the screen, Nishant Bhai.
Yeah, absolutely.
So this 1-2 hours done, and then and in between, of course, I have a quick look at things as well. Now, what's going on now? So it's not like the market is neglected. It's you are not just glued to it, and nah. Okay, so Indian rupee, I think somebody had asked me in the morning, Ashish, yeah? I gave him the levels. And you can see we are MOB and these are the levels for the Indian rupees. Nishant Bhai, I look at it all the time. This is the first time in, I don't know, years somebody said somebody asked for Indian rupees daily level. Honestly, Ashish is the first one. That's why I even put the name Ashish on it. First one, number one.
The thing in India is here you can trade 24 hours, but India in the actual exchange you can only do from 9 to 5.
Okay, normal day. Yeah, okay. Adam is asking, Uncle, when is the album really being released? No, album is not being released. I'm going to send a recording, and you can name it as Best to Kill, and you put it like a siren in your house. All the rats from the whole neighborhood will go away. Guarantee never come back. Okay, okay, Amsterdam. Okay, little gap up. 722 area. Yeah, okay, 722. Okay, wait and see. Amsterdam. HSI, no, nothing doing. Letter M. Can you see letter M, guys? There you are. Okay, coffee. Sideways and up. Okay, need to wait. I think also coffee is expiring, Nishant Pai.
Okay.
So that's what I told them yesterday. That until and unless I do take a trade, just watch it. I don't think many do trade it anyway. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just in case they see this and say, I will jump in. Don't jump in because, the coffee, the contract is expiring. Yeah. So now all I need to do, Nishant Pai, is
Cash.
the cash levels here. So this is US 30 Dow cash. Daily levels, yeah. Okay, so those are the levels for the Dow cash. And you see, I always do this. Always. I'm going to find a way if I can move the tab from there down right at the bottom, never see it again. Okay, so this one is spools. So I think some brokers, they call it SPX, US 500 cash daily. Daily levels. Yep. Okay. Got all the levels there. Fine. So, folks, that's all, folks. Ashish, you're welcome. You are the first one in all these years that has asked me for Indian level. But every day you can ask Nishant Bhavi, look at the past live stream. I don't know my fascination for it or what. I always look at Indian rupee just to see where is the Indian rupee. It's got nothing to do with me in UK. In fact, I'm not even sure now that can you change Indian rupees into pounds in UK as well? Because I remember when I went to India, it was a closed currency. It didn't. You couldn't. If you took any Indian rupees out, you couldn't change them anywhere. Nishant Bhai. In 1983, yeah.
Even now it is restricted but people take it. It's restricted.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, we give it say. Okay, now Tiga plus. 1, 2, 3 plus. 30-minute time frame. Got that, Abang? 30-minute time frame. Yeah, it's easier, smoother, and of course you could then zoom in smaller time frame and larger time frame just to see the universe above and below. Yeah, but 30-minute is you won't get palpitations in your heart. Yeah, it is smoother. So, let's see. I don't know. Could be Adam some by same.
No, it is there. It is there.
Okay. I've
Yeah,
never
but
looked for
it's
Pakistan.
on Trading View.
Okay, that's what I mean. Okay, it must be there, but I've never looked for it, na? Okay, so all of you guys here, everyone got their satisfied with everything they got or whatever. Any question, final ones? We give 4 minutes for that, and then 9:30 we close it. Nishan, so we've done exactly 1 hour.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh?
Yes, bye.
So any questions first? 1, 2, 3. The fastest is buzzer line quick. Buzzer line quick. Otherwise, going to be going, gone. Sold to you, sir. Monthly expiry, Himanshu, on what? Monthly expiry on what, yeah?
No, forget it. But it'll be on Nifty and all that. So it's on options trading also.
Okay, monthly expiry basically, Nishant bhai. Monthlies are, of course, not that important. Quarterlies are important, and I think we will be coming into the triple and quadruple witching on the American markets and whatever have you soon, yeah. Plus March, Ganway or whatever, Nishant bhai. It is Iranian Navroz as well. Baisakhi is coming. It's the Gan New Year start, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And remember, in expiries in general, in some, it's 1 week before the expiries, or in the big indexes, Wall Street order is usually like 2 weeks before the expiry, and they call it rollover Thursday. I call it window and video dressing. Yeah, that is when the brokers and the Wall Street they basically mess about, manipulate it to line their own pockets, commissions the lot. Yeah, so that rollover window dressing can make you into a video dressing. Yeah, so be careful on that. Adi Jain is somebody new here as well. I suppose 2002 is his birth date. I don't know, or maybe 2002 is when he got married. I don't know. Okay, any questions or no? And also, the other things, we can, because we are in contact all the time, all day, all week, whatever have you, we can discuss that there as well. It doesn't stop here, no? So we can talk until the kingdoms come home, yeah? Okay, how to choose a forex broker spread and other? Well, you are in India, so maybe you might be limited, but really, you should look for a broker that is regulated, yeah? And you should do your own what you call due diligence. Look at the spreads and everything. When the market is moving, do the spreads widen, shorten, things like that? Are they static? Yeah. So you need to look at that. Sometimes it's better to get even like a regulated trader, even though you pay a little bit in spread, but you have the safety of your money and everything. For example, if you go into Cayman Islands, Dominican Republic, Cyprus, Gibraltar, they will say they are with, they are regular, they're unregulated, unlicensed brokers. They can take your money and F off anytime, and you can never do sodal to them. About 10, 15, 18 years back, there was a spate in Jordan. At that time, sorry, might be a little bit longer, Nishan, because King Hussein of Jordan was still alive, yeah?
Okay.
So, the Jordanians, they started making brokers and this forex thing or whatever, and they scam so many people and run off with so many people's monies accounts. In the end, the king of Jordan declared that no forex. I mean, you can open a forex trading account and trade forex abroad, but no forex license brokers in Jordan allowed. Full stop. Kalas. It became that bad, yeah. I mean, say for example, you opened a forex account in Nigeria. I forget the
Okay.
broker's name as well. I think even Tom did research, and that was the worst broker that came out. Yeah,
Okay.
I forget the name of it. Forget the name. But how are you going to get your money?
Yeah. Yeah.
There was one called, I think, Forex Iron Forex or something as well. I
Hmm.
remember last year or year before or whatever, one young Pakistani boy came to me and said, "Uncle, I can't get my money. Are you in UK?" I said, "Yes." He said, "Iron Forex, I can't take my withdrawal. I got about $2,000. They're not answering. They're saying it's being processed. Now nobody's picking up." When I checked it out, me and Sami Bhai, yeah, and obviously, I got the address from the net or whatever. When I did the bloody street map search, Nishant Bhai, it was just a bloody flat upstairs, nobody living there. Yeah. And they were using it like a call center as well, saying that they are FS accredited. Yeah, they call it FSCD or whatever, FDCC now or whatever be it. Yeah. That financial security agency UK is regulated by them. They had nothing. They just taken a bloody number from somewhere and busted it on the website. Yeah.
Okay.
But you can open the account within 2 seconds. But say something
Yeah.
like Axio, that one, they check you out, total everything, your full detail as to who you are. Takes a while to open your account, but once your account is open, then you are safe. Then you are in safe hands. Yeah. But avoid Gibraltar, Cyprus, this Tenerife, Cayman Islands, Dominican Republic, Belize. Yeah, your money is gone. I mean, India, I don't know about India, but Pakistan, you get, oh, I'm using local broker, that local broker is a bloody scammer anyway.
Big time. Yeah.
Huh? You just
Yeah. Yeah.
take money from all the people like, give me 300, I give you 500 every day. And then what you gone? Gone. Where you going to find it? Yeah. And obviously, money talks. He's taken everyone's money. He'll pay the police and everybody. You go to find him, they will lock you up instead of him.
Correct.
Because reality is in Pakistan, forex trading is not allowed. Nishant bhai.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the couple
Exactly.
will come to you and say, "You are illegal. Why did you do this? Come, how? Lock up." So they will take money from you both sides. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I hope Nived is absolutely clear. Yeah, absolutely clear. But I'm not here to recommend any broker to you. You have to choose. Yeah. We do have a broker that we use, but I'm not going to say to you open with them because at the end of the day, you have to look and what is comfortable with you. What is comfortable with you. Another thing I'll tell you as well is don't go for silly leverages like one to thousand and 1 to 2,000 and you only got $200 or $300 account because before you blink your eye, it will be gone. I don't know. I'm not Pradeep. I'm not in India. Nishant Pai can tell you. Is Nishant Pai SBI is approved legal trading legal in
No,
forex
it's
in India?
actually it's not legal way. You
Okay,
have to actually legally you have to only do it on Indian exchanges.
okay. But Indians are very incentive. They can improvise. They can improvise. Here in UK, we are lucky that all the doors are open. Nishant Pai, I'll be honest
Yeah.
with you. I'll be honest with you. No, in every aspect, you want to do a business or whatever, it's either yes or no. There is no gray area.
Correct. Correct.
There's no gray area. You have safety on that. You have safety on that. So, guys, anything else? Whatever have you? You want the lottery numbers? I can do that for you as well. Me and Nishant Bhai can also involve you guys. We can start shadi.com as well if you want. It's coming to summer. I've got the Dadi. I can do the Molana or the Pandit. No problem. I'm only joking, guys. I'm only joking. Okay. So, how many I'm going to see today are going to put an honest comment on what you call our YouTube, Nishant Pai?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because really, that is the only fuel that keeps us going.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. So, and we are not asking for pat my back and kiss my backside. We're asking for an honest one. Honest one. If you didn't like it, just say shite. shit, doesn't matter. We can take
Yeah.
it. We are big boys. We can take it. Yeah, we can take it. We can take it. We can take it. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I wish you all happy trading and trade safe and trade wisely. Yeah. Remember, there's a very, very big difference. If I call you a wise man, you will be happy, and if I call you a wise guy, you will be upset. Yeah. And yeah, sorry, stupid joke before I go. You know, this guy goes into office and it says on the office, you know, the label. You see difference in word? It says psycho the rapist, yeah. But really, what
Rapist.
the fellow writing the sign writer should have put was, whoop, psychotherapist. Yeah, so be careful. Be careful what you say, how you say it, and how you write it. Yeah. Sorry, bad joke. Yeah, bad joke. I'll clean it out. We'll edit it out. We'll clean it out. You know. Okay, I think somebody put a private chat something.
No, by just
Okay, it's just a welcome. Okay. Okay, so either Saturday or Sunday, I'll let you know tomorrow. I will do daily levels only. Maybe 2 hour, 3 hour maximum. Yeah, might throw in a few little bits that you might help you. That's it. So then you can come and learn how to use the daily levels. So these numbers. But for now, you've got the daily levels for everything near enough that you need to keep you in mischief and trouble. Just mark them and just screen watch what happens. What happens? Just blank mind and just watch what happens. Yeah. Don't judge it. After, then look at it and see what happened. And then scream, yeah. And then when I show you, then you can use it. And like I said, I'm going to put our famous dog in it, not Simba. Simba is a terrorist, yeah. We will put Fido. Fido is good boy. But if you don't do what the Fido tells you, then I'll give you my Simba. He will take a bite out of your bum that you will remember forever. Okay, guys. So
Yeah.
coffee time, yeah? That's it. Then, in fact, I've got a tiny little bit left. So cheers, everybody. That's it. Okay, Nishan, bye. Thank you, everybody, and thank you, everyone, for coming, yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you. Bhai. Thank you.
Okay, bye.